I'm coming. I'm almost there, ma. Yes, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Next 10 minutes. No, I'm coming. Don't call any other person. I'm coming. Yes, ma. Go from the... Sorry, ma. I'm coming. I'm on my way. Just these stupid drivers here. I'm sorry. Please.
Oga, please. Drive fast. I'm late for my interview, please.
Madam, just relax. Relax. You get there.
I don't have all day at all. Just drive. Gosh.
No problem. You get the job. Just relax. You get it. Like me. Just relax, please.
You sound as if you're seeking for a job. Do you know the kind of job I'm applying for?
Well, I studied banking and finance, so I'm a graduate. Yes, but look at me now.
Are you for real?
Yes, so I'm for real.
Banking and finance?
Yes. I studied banking and finance. Hey, but the situation of this country, see now.
My case will never be like yours, please.
I pray, never. It will never. Don't worry, eh? Madam, just relax. Hey. What's the temperature of this car this high now? What's this now? Oh, madam, just relax. Relax.
Hey, this motor, eh? Oh, Lord. I talk am. Oh my God. Madam, small thing, please. Let me just go and buy pure water.
I'm late for it.
Madam, don't worry now. Don't calm down. Don't rush. Go and buy pure water. There's no problem. Just relax. Just go back in the car. Okay. Don't worry. Just here now. Go and buy it now.
I don't have time.
Please, I beg. No problem. Who you be there?
Abba, your money na 2,000.
My money. See, I don't have time for your nonsense now. Let me just tell you, I don't have time for your rubbish.
Mama, why you back for road? You dey
I want to buy water now. Wetin dey worry you? I want to buy water.
You dey whine me.
Which one be say I dey whine you? Abeg.
My man, your money na 2,000.
Don't touch my motor, abeg. I don't get time for this rubbish now.
Why you no put water for your carpenter before you come out?
Why no brush teeth before you come here? Your mouth is wet.
Gentlemen, hold on. His car is not developing anything. Okay, it can happen to any car out there. Believe me, his car is not faulty. What?
I will choke this fire.
Abeg, Rosdial. I no call you for this matter. Abeg, go. Me, I no want wahala.
No, hold on. Am I the one you're calling Rosdial?
I mean,
you're mad. You're crazy.
I agree.
It's your mother, your father, your grandfather, your grandmother, your daughter, your sister.
Rosdial. You dey whine me.
You want stop him? No, you want stop him for my front?
What is wrong with him?
Stop him now. What's up with my front? Opie. You're there. Look at Opie. You people are talking there. You blocked me in this your stupid union cell. Opie. No problem. I remember. I know you. I know you very well. I know where your brother is going to school. I know. No, you lock me here. This is illegal. No, you block me in your union cell. Your union cell. This is not a police cell. You block me inside here. Opie. Okay. You people come open this nonsense, oh. You know this is illegal, oh. Opie, give my khaki, oh. You give my khaki, oh.
Quiet. This girl never see anything.
I never see anything. I think I never see anything.
By the time I will deal with
you will deal with me. You know this place is illegal. This place will not be illegal. You know.
When I will tell you, you're a learner.
When they tell me, only you for come now. Only you for come. Why you come call other boys when I come now? No problem. This thing will cause big problem between me and now. And I tell you that just give my car key. I'm telling you now. Give my car key. Okay.
I don't go give you your car key. I don't seize your motor. 2 of your car, I don't seize them.
You don't seize her.
You don't. And 2K you go take on.
Wait, I don't give her any 2K. I don't give her any money. I won't give you 2K. Is it possible, Okwi? Is it possible?
You must pay that money.
I don't go pay her. I don't go pay her. And this place is illegal. I will sue you people. Let I'll sue you people.
You go there and decide on what I go do.
Oh, okay. No problem now. But I go come out here. I think I will come out here. No problem. No problem. I say no problem. Anything. If you like try to give anybody, I'm not party to it at all. At all. There is no how because that judgment is not fair now. He didn't hear anything. Next thing he now said we can give people what? I'm not giving anything. No. I'm not giving anything. I'm not part of it. I'm saying my own now, Mama. I'm not giving nothing. You must say why he must come and whether he prostitute. He must give anything.
Don't mind him. When his mother abandoned him and ran away, it was me with this my breast. I breastfed him. Now he has the nerve to call a prostitute. It is his mother and all his generation that are prostitutes. Amen. You know, he must tell me because me, I won't buy anything. It's not I open these gates. I won't buy anything though. I'm not giving nobody no gold. I'm not giving anything. I won't. You will not come from my prostitute. Let's just leave them. Leave them for what? We're not leaving them anything. We're not leaving them. We're not leaving them.
All right, let me call her. Calm down, baby. Just calm down. Let me get Brown to take you home, okay? Let me get Brown, okay? I'll be right back.
Young man,
Your Highness.
did you fight him? Yes or no?
Firstly, Igwe, I think you should ask me.
My friend, keep quiet. Your Majesty said yes or no. Did you fight him?
Your Highness, an action will require a reaction. That's what should happen. What happened is this. I was driving peacefully. And you know, there are professional mistakes. My car started misbehaving and I checked. It was now that water wasn't in my radiator. I came down, went to the nearby place to go and buy pure water to put in my car. All of a sudden, these people now came and I don't know what was up.
You must be a very foolish man. You must be a very foolish man. Safety will teach you before you leave your house. You check your tire, check your engine, put water in your radiator. But you did not do that. Just along the road, you want to change water.
Chief Ono, this can happen to anyone. It can happen to anyone. At least he equally paid the 2,000 naira he was supposed to pay. His Highness, I think we should allow him to go.
Thank you, Chief.
Thank you. Allow who go? This thing nagi fight us. He say make you wetin dey happen.
Why don't go? Wait, I dey talk with them.
Who is this? Who is this? Not you.
Silence!
Igwe, they finished me. Igwe, they've killed me. These people.
Sit down.
Igwe,
Sit down.
Igwe,
I never see you like this.
look at me.
Why?
Look at me.
Ichie Ojofo, why are you so enraged? What happened?
Igwe, I was just returning from Umunede this morning, only to enter my compound and discover his useless sister and useless mother beating my son Joseph, about to kill him with one other young man. Then when I intervened, trying to know what the problem is, they started to transfer the aggression to me. They started beating me.
Just like that.
Which one is just like that? Which one is just like that? Which one is just like that? I'm a family man people. Why? So you believe that the man people, they will just start beating him like that? Don't you know this man is a troublemaker? What are we talking about here? You're just saying just like that.
Silence! Dad! Your Majesty. Go and bring Nena and her daughter here.
Wait! Now!
Igwe, please send another guy. This one is asking my sister out. This one is already biased. Please send another one. Send another one, Igwe.
Keep quiet.
Don't tell him to keep quiet like that. I don't know. He's defending himself. Let us hear him out.
Igwe, I know what I'm saying. See, all these people are biased.
I don't get quiet.
See, Igwe, say that I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. Why are you watching me now? Let me, Igwe, please.
Silence! Silence, everyone. Listen. I can see that your family like war. And I am going to treat you all in the language that you understand.
Igwe, please. See, you have to let me talk now.
Don't tell him to shut up.
Let me talk. Nobody else has happened here. Nobody else has anything after you. Please continue. See that I'm bringing my family out.
How long has this been going on?
Come on, Dr. Lucas. What are you asking? My girl has this sickness from childhood. Why acting like you do not know?
Oh, please, forgive me on that. But I thought she had a cure.
Doctor, I called you here to tell me what to do, not to ask me questions. Okay?
It's alright, she will be fine.
That's beautiful.
My prince, I've called the queen. She demands to see her.
Alright, I'll handle that. Let me call His Highness. Be with her.
Yes, my prince.
Franca, I want you to tell me the truth. Has she been smoking and drinking?
Doctor, I've tried. I'm tired. I've tried talking to her, but she won't listen.
Then you have to advise her to stop completely. I mean, it's damaging her health. And Prince Greg is not helping issue either. Okay? It's okay.
What is going on? Doctor, how is she?
She will be fine. She needs some rest.
I see.
Please, can I see you for a moment?
Sure.
Just come with me.
You will.
What are you saying? My daughter is sleeping? The illness is back? Franca, what are you doing there? I asked you to bring her home. Bring my daughter to me. Bring my daughter to the palace. What kind of personal maid are you? Are you okay? Oh. She's already on drip. It's alright. I'll be there right away. I'll be there. It's okay.
You don't need to worry about anything, okay? We've taken care of the situation. My love? Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? I am here for you. We are here for you, okay? We are here for you, my love. Thank you so much. You don't need to panic. I will make sure she recovers very, very well. Yes. This palace belongs to all of us. And she is my daughter-in-law. So I wouldn't want us to have a troubled mind. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Lolo, I know that nothing would happen to my daughter.
Of course, nothing will happen to her.
She'll be alright. She'll be okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Greg? Huh?
Listen, her breath is going up.
Yes. I thought she took her medication.
Okay, I don't know. Let's go to her room. Let's go and check her. Let's go.
Just what have I done to deserve this? Huh? What have I done wrong? What? What?
I am just troubled. Our daughter is losing her faith. To her, nothing is just working. We need to do something.
What? What are we going to do? What are we going to do that we have not done? We have practically taken her everywhere. To the best health facilities all over the world. Orthodox and unorthodox. We have even gone through Chinese acupuncture. But nothing seemed to be coming out. Nothing. I'm tired.
No, we can't give up. We can't. My Lord, please. Our daughter will not be happy with us. It is our cross. We have to carry it.
They want her life now. They don't want her to go old. Just as they have taken that off from her brothers and sisters.
No, wise one, please help me. That's my only child. Please help me, do something. That's my only child. Biko, help me. You can say something, Biko.
Please, wise one, we are ready to do anything. The princess is our only child. Please, anything, whatever it takes, we are ready.
The gods have listened to your plea. Go back to the palace and leave her here with me.
Huh? Wise one. That's my only daughter, please.
Woman, do not interrupt the instructions from the gods.
It's okay, wise one. We're ready to do anything.
She will wake up. Be back in 3 days' time. Return with whoever she likes to play with, but not from her immediate family. Return with that person, either male or female.
Yes, we will.
You may leave.
Wise one. It's okay. Our daughter will be fine. Sit. She will be. Trust me. Okay? Just pull yourself together.
How will I know? How will I know if
She will be alright. Let us give the priestess at least some benefit of doubt. Okay?
You will not understand. You will not understand. You will not understand. Oh, my only child. Oh, my only child. Oh.
My only child too. It's okay.
Sorry.
Sorry. It's okay.
She should have allowed me to stay with her then.
It is okay. I said it is okay. Stop. Stop, okay?
It would have been better if I stayed with. If I had stayed back, I would
Patricia, pull yourself together.
Okay.
She's our only daughter. And I'm sure she'll be fine. Allow me, I'll sort it out. Eh?
Okay.
I brought you to this guest room so you can sleep.
Hey!
Eh? I don't want anybody to distract you, okay? So get some sleep. Come on, get some sleep. Stop this. Stop this. Stop this! It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. I understand, baby. I know. It hurts. Come, get some sleep. Come on. Get some sleep. Get some sleep.
Why bringing my son to the shrine? Why? You know he will soon become the king of this kingdom, after he must have completed the adulthood recognition of men, the Iwakwa ceremony. My dear, I am so afraid. I don't know what will happen to my son. I just don't know.
Queen Doris, you know too well that I can never wish you evil. What we are doing here, we are trying to save my daughter's life. My only child. Please, my friend, try to understand.
I understand very well. I understand you, but you know I can do anything for you. Just for you. But I'm full of curiosity here. This is a very unclear situation. I'm so curious.
I bet you with my life. Nothing will happen to Prince Greg. Nothing. Please, my friend. Please, I beg you. Save my daughter. My only child. Please, help me. Doris, help me.
It's okay. It's okay. I will give it a thought. Yes. I have to give it a thought.
Oh God.
So what was the conclusion?
Well, she said she'll think about it.
Think about it. Well, it's a serious matter.
This is time to know who is indeed a friend.
No. Don't say that. What if you were in her shoes? I'm sure you would say the same thing. Bringing the prince of Umuihu kingdom to the shrine, it's not an easy thing. Eh? What if the priestess wants to transfer Eva's sickness to him? Yes. That is why I told you, do not be hasty in coming to conclusions. Yes. Well, we only hope she accepts.
Mom, I don't know the way my body is doing me. I'm feeling feverish.
Your temperature is high. It's not normal. Huh?
Mom, I'm missing Eva. I want to see her.
I'm sorry, my darling. Eva is indisposed at the moment. You will see her soon, okay?
Mom, that was what you told me yesterday. Mom, is there anything you're not telling me?
You're not sleeping.
Tell me why I should be sleeping. Tell me. Why should I be sleeping when my daughter is lying down there in a shrine? In a shrine far away from her kingdom. Eva, my daughter. So you expect me to be sleeping? Why should I be sleeping? I don't even blame you. You don't know the pain. You don't know the pain I went through to bring her into this world. You don't know the suffer that day in the labor room to push her out from my womb. You don't even know the pain. The pain of carrying a child in your womb for 9 good months. Oh God. Oh my daughter. My only child. My only heart. My only eye. Oh.
It's okay. I understand. Okay? I understand. Listen, she is our daughter. As a matter of fact, she is our only daughter. Okay? But let's give the priestess a chance.
Who even introduced you to this priestess? Who introduced you to this woman?
Ichio Jofo. He told me that she would make the sickness go and never to return.
Hey, we have tried. We've tried. We have taken her all right for treatment. Yet no result. Imagine my daughter lying down in a shrine. Not even the priestess allow us to come and watch over her. Or even come to this palace to treat her. Just imagine my only eye in the shrine. Eva! My daughter lying down in the shrine, leaving her room empty.
It's okay. It's all right.
Eva! It's not okay. I want my daughter back. And I want her back alive. If I come back to me.
Adamu magini. Akajeni yo. Akajeni yo. Ọmọ magini o. Jẹ́ nǹkan ọma. Jẹ́ nǹkan ọma. Aya o. 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 Aya o
May the gods take my life if I mean any harm to the crown prince of Umuihu Kingdom. After the cure, the princess must be entangled with whatever makes her happy and whoever makes her happier. For she shall be rescued from the hands of death. That is the instruction from the gods. They shall not be separated. My friend, have you heard her? Please save my daughter. A white spotless ram, a white hen, a pair of her shoes and dress shall be buried to the ground. The ram and hen must be buried alive. Tell the king that is what he has to do to save the princess. And after that, all pain and illness will disappear forever.
Yes. We shall do that. We shall. We shall do as you said.
What are you saying?
I said I'm taking Prince Greg to Iyokwa's shrine.
Why will you take my nephew to such shrine? Is anything wrong with him? Does he has epilepsy? Or is there any deadly disease he's suffering from that I'm not aware of?
I'm just telling you for you to know what I'm about to do.
And I only ask a simple question, my queen. If anyone recommends Iyokwa shrine to you, that entails that a child is suffering from a deadly disease only the gods can cure. So, what is wrong with our prince?
Are you trying to stop me?
I'm not trying to stop you from taking anybody to Iyokwa shrine, my queen. I only ask a harmless question. What is wrong with our crown prince? The crown prince of Umuihu Kingdom that you want to take him to Iyokwa shrine.
Okay. I want to help a friend of mine, Queen Patricia. Her daughter is battling with bronchitis. The priestess demands the princess' playmate and best friend. And we all know how close they are to each other.
So that they will transfer their disease into our crown prince, Mbano. It does not work that way, my queen. People have their crosses to carry. Everybody has their own cross. You cannot, because we are friends, and I'll say, let me seek your sickness. I cannot take your headache and put on my head in the name of friendship. Haba, how can you even accept such, my queen?
So what do you want me to do? I shouldn't help my friend?
You can go ahead and help your friend, then leave our crown prince out of it. We have consulted the chief priest. You are now free to go with him to the shrine. He is protected. If not, we will not allow him to leave this palace. This is not an ordinary matter.
I made my personal findings before I informed you people. Don't think I'm a careless queen.
It's all right, it's all right. We are very much concerned about our crown prince.
Adobo magini. Obo magini o. Ajie kokomito. Ajie. Damanze. Ogene. Ajie. Damanze. Ogene. Ajie. Damanze. Ogene. Ajashi ogwoba, ajashi ogwoba. Ajashi ogwoba, ajashi ogwoba. Eyi mwenyi. Ajie. Damanze. Ogene. Otiamaji obukani o. Ochiamaji Obukani o. Adie. Emanze. Ochiamaji Obukani o. Adobo magini o. Obumagini o. Akajeni o.
I don't want to believe what is going through my mind.
Same here. I'm just remembering all that we have gone through, the sacrifice. I don't think we made a mistake.
No, we did not. We did not make any mistake. I can remember from that year till date, our daughter and Prince Greg are lovebirds. In a month time, they will become husband and wife.
Oh, yes.
So why? Yes. Why? Why are we believing that this illness is back? Why? Dr. Lucas said that Princess Eva smokes a lot. And I will not ignore the fact that you turned that girl into this smoking habit. Yes.
Mom, why are you talking like this? We've been smoking from day one and everybody knows about it. We smoke, we club, we drink. It's not a new thing now.
Will you shut up your mouth? I said shut up.
Mom, don't shut me up. I am the next king of this land. My Iwagwa is around the corner. So mind the way you talk to me. I'm not a child.
Now listen and listen good. If anything should happen to Princess Eva, if anything happens to that innocent girl, I will castrate you and make you a useless king.
Beautiful. 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 I love your courage. I love your excess calabolity. All right. My bad. But you don't expect me to apologize to you. Or do you? No. Mom, open then shall your elephant umbrella so that you will decode my jealousies. Open your ears so that you will understand what I'm about to tell you right now. Princess Eva is my wife to be. I believe in few months' time, I will take her to be my queen. Yes. Her health, her well-being, her life, everything that concerns her is my life. So I urge you to back off, so I can handle my woman the way I want, because she is my woman and she is not going to die. End of discussion, mother.
Look at.
End of discussion.
Look at someone that is about to become the king of this kingdom. All you do every day is to smoke and smoke your life out. I wish your father was to be alive and see the kind of lifestyle you are living. The same thing I told him. I told him that smoking is very, very bad. Yet he continued and died on it. Now you have started from where he stopped. Continue. I will be here and watch you do.
I am highly disappointed that you come here and doubt the rituals and sacrifices I performed for the life of your daughter so many years ago.
I am sorry, wise one. I am not doubting. I am just a mother with a great concern.
Go back to your palace and be calm. Do not doubt, for a doubting spirit annoys the efficacy and works of the gods. If you want your daughter to continue to be hale and sound, then go and make merry, for she has no illness.
Wise one.
Woman, go! Do not desecrate my shrine. Go!
Who is here? Oh? Who is here? Here they are, I can see them.
How's your cake? What is it? What's the problem?
You people have to provide the items listed by His Highness as an insult or an apology for what you people did to Ichio Jofo.
Who talk? Who talk?
Yes?
Master Okeke, go. Go, please, go.
Go now.
What are you saying?
Master Okeke, I said it's too early now, I need you to leave. Go to your place. Leave. Go.
I know what you are doing. I know what I'm saying. Go, Mama, tell this man that it's too early. It's too early for what is in my mouth to come out. You know my temper. You know. Tell this man to go. Tell this man to go.
Okay. Go and tell the Igwe that we are not listening to his judgment this time.
Simple.
You see that goat? We are not giving it to him. If he's in our shoes, he will even beat Joseph blue black.
Okay. I have seen that you people have ganged up against the king and his cabinet. You will not do anything, Abi. You people should not deny you. I'm going to pass your message to the king.
You won't deny anything. Just go. Go ahead.
I should go ahead.
Go.
Okay, don't follow children now.
Which one?
What is it now?
Go.
Okay, please. We are not even scared of him.
What's that? Mama, stop this, Stop this, Choice, you want to buy goat and give you. They call you prostitute. You want us to go and give them goat to thank them.
But I'm not a prostitute.
They want to give them goat.
Give me my khaki. Sir, please, sir.
I said, give me my khaki.
Sir, please, sir. If you collect this car from me, I will starve. My
Okay,
whole family.
you think I'm joking?
I'm not. No, sir. If you collect this car from me, I will starve. My family will starve. My sister, my mother will all starve. Please, sir. Please, okay, sir. Why did you not bring my daily returns yesterday? Sir, that's what I've been trying to explain to you, sir. Okuya and his boys dragged me to the palace. You know, they attacked me and they still dragged me to the palace. Well, you know how it is now. Before he attended to us, it took time. Then when he now finally did, before we left there, and now he was late, and I came back and I saw a few people who I managed to get the passengers. That's how I was able to buy the small fuel that is in this car now, sir. I'm really sorry, sir.
Okay, Chukwu.
Sir.
I told you I had to hear this unnecessary complaint from you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. I know.
Did I not say so?
You have always said so, but I've not been complaining to you, sir. I mean, the last time it was just traffic. I'm not like that. I give you your money every time, sir. Sir, you know me, sir.
This will be the first and last.
Yes, sir.
You will tell me these cock and bull stories.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will never do it again, sir.
Don't ever try it next time, okay, Chukwu?
I will never, sir. I will never.
Don't try it next time.
Sir. I won't, sir.
Come and take me to my shop. This will be the last time.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shoma, madam, you have a shortage of 5,000 naira. But madam, I don't... You don't have what? Look at it. Eh? Someone made a withdrawal. You did not put your charges. Eh? Look at this one. You transferred money to someone. You still did not deduct your charges from that. Is it okay? Eh? Well, I'm going to deduct 5,000 naira from your account.
Madam Messi.
From your salary, yes. I'm going to deduct 5,000 from your salary.
Madam, this thing you're doing is not nice now, eh? Last week you deducted 5,000 naira from my salary. This week you also want to deduct another 5,000 naira. It just even just the salary. Meaning, out of 15,000, you've taken 10,000. Of course, 5,000.
What do you want me to do? Eh? You made me believe you can handle this POS business, which is the reason I asked you to stay here. Now look at how you're messing my business up. I'm going to deduct 5,000 naira from your salary, and that's it.
Madam Bikoduna, let me beg you now, please now. Can you deduct it from next month's salary?
Shoma, if he's paying you this much, then you pay attention to details. I'm out of here. If he's paying you so much,
Madam, it's not fair. So 5,000 kitchen from this month. It's not fair.
Why did this shortage happen? Every time this thing will be happening. Not a plate to go off, ma.
Very funny. Greg, how is your mother?
My mother is doing fine, Your Highness.
Greg.
Mom.
Thank you so much. Thank you for taking very good care of her for us.
My queen. Only husband now. She's my occupation now.
Mom, Daddy, I want to ask for something.
Michelle, go ahead.
More like a favor.
Yes.
Greg and I are planning to travel to London.
Wow.
for a friend's wedding.
Really?
Yes. One of my African American friend. She's based in Manchester City. Nora.
Nora? I think I know her. The girl that visited us some time ago.
Exactly. Mom, you remember her?
Yes,
I knew you were going to remember. So she's the one. Dad?
Oh, sure, of course, you can. As long as you are with Greg.
Yes, I'm with Africa.
Thank you, Dad.
That trust me on that one.
Thank you, Daddy. So then.
You're welcome.
We're free.
I'm famished. The table is not set.
It should be. Where's Franca?
Franca! Franca!
But when is this wedding coming up?
Next week, Mom.
Next week?
Yes.
And when are people coming back?
Say roughly 2 weeks after the wedding.
2 weeks. Let 2 weeks be 2 weeks because I wouldn't want to hear 1 month.
Mom! I'm not going forever.
I know.
Come on.
You know I'm missing you already. I am missing you, my dear. Hey.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you know I am going to miss you too. No. 2 weeks. Nothing more, nothing less.
That's my baby.
I cross my heart.
That's my girl.
Oh, Mom. You're always so clingy.
My darling, you won't understand.
I do understand.
I love you so much.
I love you so much. Mommy, I love you.
Do you know my joy?
What?
Prince Greg is going to take good care of you over there.
Oh, so you know?
Yes.
So why then are you panicking?
Oh, my darling, you won't understand.
Hey, Mom. Now you have to follow me to my room because I'm traveling for a wedding.
My darling, I love you so much and I'm missing you already.
Mommy. Don't worry, I will soon be back for you.
Good.
Was that how much you missed me while I was away?
Will you understand? No, you won't understand. Do you know what?
What, Mom?
Immediately you come back, people will start planning for your own wedding. Yes. Yes, I can't wait.
I know this was what you wanted to say, Mom.
Yes, darling, because I need it so much.
Okay, fine. You have nothing to worry about.
Good.
Because you know that once we are back, the preparation begins.
Oh, I can't wait to see that.
And to see your grandchildren.
Yes, sir. You're apple of my eyes.
Mommy!
Love you so
I
much.
love you so much.
I will miss you, darling.
You're the best in the world.
I will miss you so much.
See you soon when I'm back. Are you Franca?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, I will need you to go to my wardrobe. I will be traveling with my Cartier bangle and then check around for some necklace and earrings. Okay?
That's my baby.
Mom,
My
stop it
already. Calm down.
I'm calling my brother. Why would they take my mother to the palace?
I just came here to tell you, calm down.
I know. Hey, you know the worst part, eh? My brother is not even taking his calls.
Chuma, maybe he's driving or something.
Ha! Why did they take my mother to the palace? Did they tell you?
Chuma, calm down.
You know what? I'll have to go to the palace myself. Let me go and find out.
Ha, Chuma. Chuma, calm down. No.
See, Amara, what is it? You help me take care of this place. Okay. Let me go to the palace. Okay. I taught you how to use it now.
Yes. Just come back fast. I was doing something at home.
I understand. I will come back fast. There's 30,000 naira inside. I'll be back, eh?
Okay. Chuma, take it easy.
Oh.
Hey.
It's Chuma.
Hey.
Where is Choma? She went out with one of her good friends. And left you here with my money. Is this what she normally do with my money? Please, don't tell her I told you. I don't want any trouble. I'm just being a nice person. Thank you. Nem, thank you, you know? Chuku gozie again, no? Thank you. I will not tell her, but she'll come back and meet me here. Ndo, thank you, eh? Dalo. Chioma. Chioma. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
How someone won't die for there? Now, wow, what's they happen now? I don't understand. People just no come today. I don't understand. Some work just slow.
You not even doing like say I don't come work today. You're doing like say I stay there for house. I don't understand what's that happen today, sir. I beg you don't call that your sister.
I call my sister, but I don't know what they do her phone. You know they go.
Your sister, Sha. She fine though. I like her.
You smoke all shit. What's bring that one now?
Just say I like her.
When you start to talk that kind, when that one starts now, when you start to like my sister, what's bring that one now?
I just like him. Like if I say I love him now, what's
you do crazy? What's the what? I go fight you. Which one you say you didn't love my sister? What's bring that one now?
Calm down. See fine girl.
Customer.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine. I'm fine. And you?
I'm good too.
Good.
I hope you're able to resolve your issues with those guys that day.
Yeah, we did. We resolved everything. And you, how far with your job? How far the job you said you were going for?
I did. I got the job.
You got, oh, congratulations. So we go celebrate now. You guys baby.
Of course we will. Please, I need you to take me to the bank. From bank to the mall.
Bank to mall?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take it one by one. Which bank?
MC Bank.
MC Bank. MC Bank. No, small thing now. MC Bank. Small money, 2,500.
Please, I'll pay you 2,000.
2,000. Don't be here again. No problem. Let's go.
Guy, don't see one crowd.
Calm down.
Madam, if you don't steal, no steal, man. I'm bad guy with you. Carry a rich church to go.
What happened? There's no problem. Nobody arrested me. But did they take you to the palace? They only asked me some questions. Mazi Okeke went and lied to the Council of Elders that I am the one that instigated you and your brother not to bring the requirements to apologize to your uncle.
Was Mazi Okeke there?
Yes.
Was it? He wasn't there when the whole thing happened. Was it there? Why would he be talking anyhow?
It's okay, Mom. It's okay. Just calm down. See, we need to call your brother so that we will know what to do.
What? Mama, only me, Only me. I can deal with all of them, oh.
There's no need for that. We've had enough troubles. Oh, Mom.
Mama, you're too calm. I don't know why you're like this.
Adamo. Adanenna.
I will go and question them too, Mama. Hey, Choma, Biko, don't put me. Mama, it's not nice now. It's not nice. How do they be choosing us to live in village? We've had enough
trouble. Madam, your money is increasing. Oh.
You don't have to worry yourself about that. I will pay you.
Okay, no problem.
Excuse me, sir. Please, do you know any good fast food around here where I can eat good food? I'm starving. I'm famished. Yeah.
Fast food. I'm a taxi driver now. I should know somewhere nice now. No problem. I'll take you somewhere.
Okay. I need to go and eat good food.
Okay.
But you're also eating, right?
Me? Fast food? How? No, I don't have money for that. How can I eat fast food? For what now? No.
You don't have to. No, don't worry yourself. I will pay for it. I promise I will pay.
You pay?
Yes, I will pay.
A woman paying for a man. Somehow.
It's not somehow. It's cool. I'm fine with it, okay? Don't worry yourself.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Madam, 5,000.
Yes.
For what?
For a job well done.
Madam, which one was job well done? What did I do?
Choma, you left my business in the hands of a total stranger and went out with God knows who. Probably your boyfriend.
Me? Boyfriend? Hey, Madam, no now. I heard that the palace arrested my mother, so I went there to find out why. That's all. Besides, I asked my friend to help me. She's nice.
A total stranger. To help you with my money. My hard-earned money, Choma.
She's my friend.
And so?
She's not a bad girl. She's a good girl.
Choma, please leave here before I get angry. Leave!
Madam, I cannot go now. I am not done with this job. Please don't chase me out. I swear to God, I did not go to see any man. True to God, I did not see any man. I only went to the palace.
Choma,
believe me.
You are not only a liar, you are equally dramatic. Hey! Choma, before I count up to 5, leave here. What? 1? Choma, leave before I call the police on you. Choma, leave before I tell them you stole my money. Leave before I tell them you stole my money. Nonsense. You left my money in the hands of a total stranger and you're here telling me one cock and bull story. Choma, Choma, Choma. Oh.
Wait a minute.
This one is much, oh. But thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, I can see you like the food.
Food is nice though. I mean, but you know, this food is for big people like you now. Small people like us, Ofako with rice is okay. Alright for us. You know? I mean salad. Okay.
I like you. I mean, you have a girlfriend. I'm just asking, nothing much.
I have girlfriends. My mother and my sister.
Oh, funny you.
You, I know now, I know a fine girl like you, big girl. I'm sure you have one big correct guy. You know, who is your own.
Faithful, please. I don't have any man. Yes. Men are full of shit.
Come on now. Not every man now. You can't say that now. Don't say that.
Oh, don't argue it. Okay, just eat your food. Enjoy your meal.
I will. Nice.
Hey, what a friend. What a wonderful friend. So, the little salary I'm collecting from this place is paying you. You are jealous of it. That's why you want to take over my position. Hey, Amara, you went and told my madam that I went out with a man. How dare you? How could you say such thing to my madam?
Me, I did not tell her anything. No. She came and she saw me seated here. She asked about you. I told her you went to the palace to see your mother. Which one is I told your madam that you went to see your boyfriend? I don't like it too.
Amara, I went to your house and you were not there. My mind told me that I should come back here, I will see you. And that's exactly what happened. I knew it.
If it was a bigger office, you would have killed me to take over my position.
Chuma, it's not like that. It's not like that.
Tell me how it is. Go, stay away from me. I do not want to see you ever close to me again.
Chuma, you're taking this thing too far. It's not like that. Chuma,
Ogini,
where are you going to? Come back.
stay away from me.
Chuma, Chi, stop this thing. I don't like it now.
Are you crazy?
Chuma, I don't like this thing you are doing. Come back. Now, every time you'll be getting angry. Chuma. They buy me this, they bought me this, they bought me this. As if you are the only fine girl in this world. Me, I'll still come here and sit down if they will see me. You take your daily ones, I have it. I have it. Let's see what they will buy. They will buy me for
The one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what them do, yeah, I will fight for you, man. True love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what them do.
She gave me money. And she kissed me. She gave me money and she kissed me. I like this girl. I like this girl. I like her.
Wow. Thank you. I'll be on my way now.
What did you make for me?
Of course, now. What?
Hi. How? Don't bother. I went to the park and your friend gave me your house address.
But I'm just coming from the park. I only came here to have my lunch. And I'm going back. Wow, this is a surprise. Please come and meet my family. Mama, this is my friend. My mother, my sister.
Good afternoon, ma. Hey, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
No, oh, you're welcome.
My mother, my sister. This is Rose.
Hello, sis.
Hey, she's beautiful. Okay.
Thank you, ma. She's as beautiful as a rose.
Oh, thank you. And you too. Come and sit down. Oh, let's find something for you. Let me get her water to drink.
No, ma. I'll use my lunchtime to come see him. I'll be heading back to work. Yes, ma.
What do you do?
I'm an accountant to a company, a big company.
Oh, that is very good. Where are you from?
I'm from Omo in the Kingdom.
That's very close to our own kingdom. Oh.
Yes, Mama.
You're welcome. Oh.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey, no. Chai.
We'll be on our way now.
Already?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Okay, see you some other time.
Oh,
Rosalie,
bye. Bye. Oh.
Off now.
Okay. Hey.
Please. What is it?
Okay, Namo. I like this girl though. I like her. She's
like
beautiful. Her? Yes. Two of them match Fanta and Fanta.
Mama. Calm down.
Chioma, what is the meaning of accountant?
Accountant is one who sees to the affairs of a company in terms of finance. That's all I know.
Anyway, don't bother again. You see, the next time she comes, I'll ask her. She will answer me by herself. Chioma, I am so happy that our issue between us and your uncle has been cleared.
Hell! Thunder will fire him. Him and that his friend. If they were, you choke her. As they are eating that goat, it will choke their throat.
It's okay, leave them. The most important thing is that the problem has been solved. I thank God for your brother. God provided and he was able to buy that huge goat.
I thought brother said he didn't even have money. Where did he get money to buy goats?
And I don't know. All I know is that I am happy we have done the needful.
Mama, you're shaking your head too much. Stay, let me read this.
Because may I say so.
When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah.
I really need to know. Do you love me? I mean, do you want me to be your woman?
Of course I love you. It's just that I just feel you're too expensive for me. I'm just a taxi driver and I can't afford the lifestyle you want.
Can you quit this job?
Quit this job? Do you have a job for me?
Not yet. I mean, I'm trying. But the truth of the matter is, you can't be my man. You can't be my boyfriend if you're just a taxi driver. I need you to travel to the city. Look for a good job. I will sponsor that for you. Seriously.
I understand you not being proud of my job. I understand.
No, it's not that. It's not that at all. I'm not just comfortable with it. That's the truth. I'm not. I like you. I love you. Honestly, let there be a little shift. That's all.
Well, I've heard you, but I've really tried getting a job. I've tried, and I had to resort to this. But I'll keep trying. I'll try. Maybe I'll try harder.
Baby, I want you to be your own man. This cabo business is not fitting. It doesn't fit you at all. Think about it, please. Okay?
Yeah, I understand.
All right. So, can we go to that restaurant and eat? That same restaurant.
No, I can drive you there. I'm not hungry.
Baby, we have to eat together. You know that. Come on.
When you find true love, everything will be so perfect.
My love? What? No, please calm down, please. Put yourself together. Whatever it is, my love, I said calm down.
Explain to me what the matter is. Oh, you don't want to tell me on phone? Ah, you are coming back to Nigeria? What about Greg? Sweetheart, please. I beg you. Whatever it is, I want both of you to settle it over there. You are sick? Oh, it's all right. Calm down. Put yourself together. Calm down, please. Okay? My love? It's okay. Calm down. Calm down, okay? It's all right.
True love, find true love. Hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they do, yeah, I will fight for you, my love. Find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they do.
My son said Eva left the city and she's threatening to return alone. She's no more taking her calls.
Have you asked him what he did to her?
According to my son, he said Eva spotted him with an old white friend. And from there she became mad at him and left the event to another city.
So that's what happened?
That's what my son said.
My daughter refused to tell me what the problem is. She keeps telling me, Mother, I am coming back to Nigeria. Mother, I am coming back to Nigeria. I think they had a little argument over that.
I think so.
That will not be a problem. I believe they will make up.
They will always make up. You know how they used to do. So how is my king doing?
He's very fine. Just from one meeting to the other. You know now.
That's meant for you.
See, my brother. Yeah. The only thing I fit tell you for this matter, you see this love? Come on hand for this thing where they call love. I don't see that babe, but they see the girl, it be like so the girl likes you. Girls are very dangerous, so why?
Nah, nothing did there, nothing did there. I'm just normal thing. We just be normal, nothing, not normal friends.
What's normal thing?
Normal friends now. We're just normal friends. Friends now.
Hey! You are normal friends. Okay. Where the condom where they your pocket last week?
Which one be condom again now?
Oh, sorry, the condom where you buy, put for the service account. You know, so you get service account for condom.
Wait,
where you did?
I don't understand you. Which one you say you don't monitor all the condom where they buy now? I've been waiting. I don't understand you.
Not besides the monitor.
That girl are just my friend. Just my friend. Nothing else.
The condom been there 3, don't short. Now only one remain. I mean, condom is a sign of your friendship.
I don't get time for your problem right now. Which
which one say you don't monitor my life?
I know, I love the pikin. So say never met pikin. So say never enter Jerusalem. We are just friends. Let me go 5%. I saw their friendship, baby.
What is it?
Nothing. Nothing.
Come on. You look worried. I mean, I can read it from your face.
Nothing really.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Wait a minute. You didn't complete your money for today?
Not that.
Then tell me the problem. Tell me. Talk to me.
It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay.
I know your type. Pragmatic and not easy to bend. Don't worry. I've got something for you. But first, you have to guess.
I have to guess.
Yes.
I'm not good at guessing, so I think you should just come out with it.
Okay. Take. Go ahead.
What is this?
My boss dashed me some money, but I don't need it, so I decided to give it to you.
Your boss dashed you money?
Not my boss. My manager. Okay. My manager, not the owner of the company. Yes.
Okay, because this kind of looks heavy.
Ah, come on. It's just 50,000 naira.
50,000! Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much. This will do so much for me. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Like I said, I don't really need it. So use it to sort out yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And as for the job, I'm still pressing him. Very soon, something good will pop up.
Thank you. If that can just happen, I'm so grateful. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
This is the part where you give me a very tight hug.
Can I?
Of course.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I'm really grateful.
I know you're shy. You're so good.
Wow.
Wow. Don't worry,
Look up,
Brother. What is it? Easy for.
Choma.
Hmm?
Choma, please, I need you to be straight with me. You understand? Just be straight with me this one time, please.
Okay.
Please. Please.
But that's up now. What is it?
That Rose girl. You know that Rose girl, eh?
Rose. I know her.
You know Rose now.
I know her.
So what do you... How do you see her?
I'm not sure your question is that now.
Tell me now, how do you see her? Like, what do you think about her person? You understand? Yeah.
But I don't want to talk.
Which ones you don't want to talk?
You get angry.
I won't get angry. I won't get angry. Just tell me. What do you think about her? How do you see her person? Just tell me now. Tell me.
Are you sure you will not get angry?
I won't.
Okay. Rose is fine, oh.
Okay.
And you are handsome too. Very, very handsome.
See, this is the problem I have with you. This one, so somebody's going straight. I'm asking a straight question. You like digressing. Don't go through the corner. You know me, I'm a straightforward person. Just tell me the way it is now.
See, you're getting angry.
I'm not getting angry. Am I shouting? If I'm angry, that's when I shout now. But am I shouting? Just be straight with me. Don't be going around the bend. Just go straight. Tell me, what do you think about her? Just talk to me.
Okay.
Yes.
Brother, that girl is exposed. She has traveled far and wide. But she's not your level. She's with you for a reason. That's what I think. But she might just be with you because you're very handsome. She just wants to be passing time, having fun with you. She'll never be loyal to you. She can't. Oh, Waganya, brother.
But how did you know? No, how can you be too sure? How can you be too sure? I mean, why are you so sure about what you're saying?
I'm a woman now. We know ourselves.
You're a woman and you know yourselves.
But please let me get you food.
She will not be loyal. She will not be loyal.
Afternoon. How are you? I'm fine.
Who withdrew this 10,000?
It's one boy.
Why is your face like that?
I have no sense of money.
I thought you usually carry food from the house.
Oh, you've not paid me. How am I supposed to cook?
Paid kwa? But it's not yet end of the month yet. Huh? So you want to tell me that all these boys that comes to withdraw money here, none of them tips you?
Me? No one has ever tipped me. No one.
Is your case different? But when your friend was here, I usually see boys buying food for her. Some even tips her. So why is your own different?
Ma, please can I ask you for a favor?
Which is?
Ma, please can you lend me money from my salary so I can eat?
Lend? I don't want to hear stories, so. Achokwa ma akoko. Okay. And your face is squeezed. How will men tip you?
What is wrong with your daughter? She's been yelling on the phone that she's coming back soon.
Oh, Eva,
I thought they resolved the issue.
What issue?
Just a minor issue. You know how jealous your daughter can be. I heard that she spotted Greg with a white girl in the wedding party and flipped out.
Just that?
Yes, that's what Greg told me on the phone, and exactly what the mother said too. So I think that's what happened.
Okay. But I don't think my daughter is the kind of person that would just flip out at such a minor thing.
Are you trying to say otherwise?
No. Not at all. Well, let them come back.
Definitely, I know they will settle it.
Sure, they will.
Thank you.
Yes. Whatever you have to do, do it and make sure you return on time. Greg. Yes, look for her everywhere. Search the whole city. Ask her friends. How can you upset her with another woman? Greg, listen. I've told you not to be playing that your silly games each time you go to London. Learn to respect a woman. You and Eva have been close to each other. So for her not to be taking your course, it means you caught her so deep. I mean, Greg, listen to me. Whatever it is, make sure you settle it before returning back to Nigeria. Okay? Yes. It's all right. I will talk to you later. Let me attend to your uncle. Okay, bye.
The worker for the first introduction ceremony is fast approaching. Our crown prince ought not to be traveling around the world till the initiation is over.
He did not travel around the world.
But rumor has it that he flew to Dubai, from Dubai to Paris, from Paris to Milano, and now he's in London. So am I not getting it when I said traveling around the world? Indulge me, my queen.
Ichianele, I called you to summon the family members to map out dates for the first introduction. My son may practically not to be present before then, but it doesn't matter.
I know you can represent, or any of his cousins can, but I still stand on the path of him not traveling around the world, at least for the time being.
Ishianele, can you do what I asked you to do and forget about this traveling since it is hard for you to digest? Huh?
I can, my queen.
Good. Take your drink.
I'll be traveling to Abuja tomorrow to represent my company.
Tomorrow? But tomorrow is Friday.
I know. Aww. You're missing me already. I can see it on your face.
Oh yeah, I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah. So when are you coming back?
Sunday.
On Sunday?
Yeah, because on Monday I should be reporting back to work.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
What is it? You don't seem happy. Talk to me.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm good.
Baby, everything will be fine. I won't be long, okay? I'll be back soonest. Okay? It's alright. Abby, you're missing me already. It's my baby, yeah.
Okay, tell me. What do you want me to buy for you? Anything, mention it and it's all yours. Tell me.
Anything.
Anything? Consider it done. Okay, so come see me.
No, let me drop you off now.
No, baby, I want us to work together. Come on.
Which one you should work? Let me...
Baby, I insist. I want to work with you. My baby.
Make sure you come back on Sunday.
I will.
I want to transfer.
Why you dey shout? Come this side now. Ha. How much?
I want to 5,000 naira.
Okay, wait, I dey come. Why you dey follow me? Stay there, I say I dey come. Your charge na 800.
Wetin be 800 now? Charge you dey do, if transfer dey do, at least if you don't do am sef, you no go pass 100 now or 200, now you dey tell me 800. Now so you dey do your own thing.
Oga, if you no wan do, comot. I no get time to dey explain. You go do abi you no go do? Oya, bring 700.
Why you dey talk like this now? Where the other girl wey even dey here sef? Eh?
Oga, get out.
Ma, get out.
I say get out.
No blame me now. Of course I come here come do transfer. Say I ain't dey. Go bend finish.
Come on, get out. You dey craze. I no blame you. See his shoe. Your mate dey do 50,000, you dey do 5,000. Dey stress me.
Okay, now, how are you? Are you busy? It's all right. I want you to get my stuff for me. I'll bring it to the hotel. You know my hotel room, right? Okay. I will make the transfer right away. What are you saying? You call it the mechanic? You want to send your friend? I mean your colleague? No problem, no problem. That's better. I'll make the transfer right away.
Alright, Chief. Chief, no problem. I go send her right away. Go na my guy, I trust him. He no get issue, he go come now. The guy no dey even talk too much.
Alright, I'll be waiting.
I want me you come go Top Notch Hotel.
Top Notch Hotel.
No say my car no good, so I want me you go deliver something for someone.
Okay, that big hotel, wetin dey happen there now? Okay, that your oga where you dey buy plenty condom. That your oga where they buy plenty condom for, and wetin the sexual enhancement drugs now where they buy Viagra from.
Guy, wetin be your problem?
That man, he need more. He need more.
Wetin dey do you? Eh? I think this man say you don't talk too much. Just buy something, deliver. You can't get we condom.
It's okay. Sorry, but your oga dey try, sha. Sorry.
Everybody know what they do. Everybody know saying they use drugs, scatter women. You understand? Every time he's always on drugs.
Na your oga na.
But no be something where we go dey tell am.
Na your oga, no, na your oga. So you want make I go give am?
You go there now, but you know say I won't drop for mechanic, so you carry me go. I go buy the thing, give you. You drop me for mechanic, then go there.
Go give am the drugs.
I beg, no do like say, no do like say you know wetin dey.
I go do like say I don't know wetin dey inside, but your oga dey try
You go where.
But the man go pay me, I think.
A big man, na him go pay.
How much be the deal now? Now wetin you suppose to talk first? Now no be this way they talk. How much?
Yeah, you too like money.
Which one be say your oga too like Viagra and condom? Wetin you mean? Abeg, tell me.
Him go give us 10K. I go find you something.
Who go find who something? You know say only me you trust for here. Only me if you send this message.
I don't understand the kind of friends where you do. What you happen be say we go share am 50-50.
No 50-50. The highest I go give you na 2K. 2K. You go buy am now.
Okay.
No, go buy the condom.
Okay, if you buy this thing, don't make this man know what you
No worry, no worry.
But
But the condom will go buy and buy for your guy.
I don't tell you. I don't tell you.
Try, don't be smart.
If I lose this man, if I lose this contact, I go burn this your car. What I know, you don't dey talk condom.
Hello. Okay, you're in the hotel already. All right, just tell them you're coming to my room. 306. Hello. Where's your guy now? He's bringing his stuff, all right? Okay now, all right. I'm waiting. Yes, dear.
Is that the food?
Not yet.
Oh, baby, I'm starving.
No worry, I'll fix it.
Something. There's anything is too slow, honestly. I think you should try another hotel. Next time, eh?
You know him?
Him? It's just, yeah, I do. It's just my taxi driver. That's all.
Is that right?
Yes.
Young man. You all right?
Of course, I'm all right, Chief. I'm all right. Come here. My Chief.
Yeah.
I can't wait to devour you the second time. Just go in and freshen up and come back to me.
I'm going to show the strength I have never shown before.
Chief.
Yes, dear.
Auntie, I beg. The way I am now, this music is supposed to be louder. The way I am now, this music is supposed to be, it's because of you that this music is like this. So please, I beg.
Listen, I don't give a hoot. Turn this shit up.
Madam, see, you don't have the right to be shouting at you. You don't have, this is my taxi. You understand me? See, I picked you up, yes, so this is my taxi. So you can't give, am I your babe? Am I your house boy?
Please, am I your gate man? I beg. Please.
Hey, damn it. Just damn it. Do you know who I am? I see you do not love me to steal big job and everything that you live for. You want to lose your life and your generation, right?
I don't blame you. I blame this country. I blame the stupid country they are in. You understand? Because it's not that the whole thing went to school. Graduated to do one. Ended up where? Driving a taxi and picking up somebody who doesn't have manners. Who doesn't have one single iota of respect for nobody. Well, will you be here insulting me? I'm talking to you that do I know who you are? No problem. What?
Was I the one you were talking to? Was I the one who just spoke to you in that manner? My friend, turn off this shit! Turn off this shit right now!
Stop shouting. I don't know why you're shouting. Why are you shouting for self? You are going to come down from this car. You're going to come down, no? I said you're going to come down. I dare not. Hey, come down. I don't get time for nonsense. Come down. Calm down.
I am not stepping a foot down. I booked you to take me home. And you must take me home.
You are still speaking English. See, I don't have time to speak English with you. Calm down now. I'm telling you, calm down now. You don't want to calm down. Hey, I'll call union boys now. They're going to get you. You don't say we will get close. So they're going to get you. Calm down now.
Take it easy, please. Calm down. It hasn't gotten to that. I'll just...
You are fine. You will keep quiet.
I will be very quiet.
And listen to music.
Very quiet.
You won't say anything. I don't want to hear anything, no. Thank you.
Please, let's just be quiet.
No talk, oh.
Yes.
Oh, we should go. Don't say anything, no.
You didn't know the personality you had in your car. You were wagging your dirty mouth, talking anyhow. You didn't know the personality you had in this dirty car because I bothered you. Rubbish. Dirty driver. Touts. Wagging your mouth anyhow. Because you had a personality like me in your car. You should be happy. You should be happy riding with the princess of this kingdom. You should be happy. Idiot.
Oh. Hey.
Bring down my luggage, you fool.
Hey, okay. All right. Okay. Well, thank you for the introduction. I didn't know that it's this man that gave birth to you. See, please just give me my money. Let me go. I don't have time to even talk to you now.
Hold on. What did you say?
I said you should give me my money. Let me go. I don't want to banter words with you. Just give my money, please.
Such infantry. Really? So you still have mouth to ask for money?
Give my money now.
You must be insane.
Auntie, calm down. What's your problem now? I beg, give my money. What's wrong with you? You think your father doesn't know me? Give my money, I beg.
Just touch me.
Uh-huh.
If you try this one more time, you will get lost forever.
Yeah, I'll get lost. Give my money, oh. See, this man knows me, oh. Give my money, I beg.
If you try it again, you will get lost.
Then give my money. Give me my money. Give my money.
Again.
And you, see, this man, everybody here, they know me, oh. I'm not afraid of you people. Let me tell you, we come here to solve case every time. You understand me? My file is full in this house. Your father has my file, plenty. Let me tell you, give my money, I beg. Let me go. If not, you won't have this bag, oh. Let me tell you now. What's it?
Touts.
Fellow touts.
I don't have time for dirty people like you. Stink. Don't worry, my dad will come give you your stupid money. Change. That's why you're making noise of change.
I agree.
Idiot.
I agree, fellow idiot. Please tell your fellow idiot guy to bring my stuff. Your people know me. I'm not afraid of you people. Everybody here knows me. They know
Now my file is full here. Trouble file. You understand me? And you better make sure they bring this thing quick, oh. Bring my money quick. If not, this bag is not going anywhere. This bag is not entering this place. I'll take this bag back to Motopac, oh. I'm telling you now. Nonsense. Even your father self cannot come and tell me that he will give me my money. Nonsense family. See the nonsense that our king trained. Don't waste my time, oh, you people. Don't waste my time, oh. My time is money.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. The princess is back.
It's a lie.
She's back.
My love.
Eva.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Eva, come sit. Sit.
My love. You are not looking too good. Igwe.
Mommy, I've had it up to here. I can't continue anymore. I can't. Daddy, I'm so exhausted. I'm having fatigue already.
Right now you need to go upstairs, take a shower, and then rest. I'm sure you must have had a very long journey.
Yes, Dad.
Excuse me.
Not connecting. I sent Okada to go and deliver something for one of my customers. He never come back till now.
I've been calling him. His number is not connecting. Maybe his network or something.
Anyway, Sha, you know as I work the be now. If you be say you don't go drop something, go carry passenger for road. Now you know that's how I work the be. So
No problem, no problem. I'll talk to you later. Please.
I know Wala now. I go tell her say you fine and come.
No problem.
Bye bye. Drive safe, oh.
It's okay, my daughter.
It's okay. Just be calm, okay? Or a taxi, or perhaps someone.
The taxi!
The taxi! Oh my God, Daddy! The taxi guy!
Oh, can you recognize him? Where did you bought him from?
He's light in complexion. And,
oh my goodness. He said he's shop, he's back, he works, and off my back, yes. You have to do something.
Then I'll have to tell the guards immediately to go to Fumaka.
Oh, it's okay. Call them.
Yes,
who is that?
Greetings.
What is it?
My princess, a man demanded to see you.
A man?
Yes.
A man?
Yes.
Who is he?
I don't know.
Get out! My God, how did I see? Mommy, I can't see him.
Baby, calm down, please. Go down and see. Come on.
My international passport. I have my visas on it. It's happening. Maybe it's him. Maybe it's him. Greg sent you. Well, tell him I'm fine and I'm home. Alright? My darling, you can go. Calm down. Please, my darling. Tell Greg that she's home, that she's fine, okay? Please come down. I was even thinking it's a taxi driver. It's okay. It's okay.
Come on, princess, calm down. I will ask the guards to go to the park and recover your items.
Daddy, how are you going to see him? Is he the only taxi driver in this village?
That's your bag you left in my taxi. I hope everything is intact. I said I hope everything is intact.
Yes. Thank you.
Can I go?
Yes.
Thank
sure.
you.
My lord.
Are there still some good people like this?
I am still surprised. Okechukwu of all people? This is unbelievable. Anyway, I'll be with my daughter.
Lie, guy. You know what you tell me so?
Will I be lying to you? No, will I be lying to you?
Wait. You're trying to tell me that you saw Rose, the Rose we know, with Chifumba?
With Chifumba. As I couldn't believe my eyes.
Hey.
I mean, I was dumbfounded for some seconds. I just didn't know what to say.
I talk calm. Like say I no talk calm, I talk calm. I tell you, say no dey trust these girls, that gender. Why? No dey trust them. Hey! Chineke me.
Brother, one thing I know for sure is this. I can never be caught unawares again. I cannot be caught this cheat again. This one is a lesson. This is a lesson to me.
You Rose. Oh, to say she be virgin. When they carry herself like say she never even touched man before. Now they flex with Chifumba. Oh, wow. This one shocked me. Die.
Hey. It shocked me past you. It shocked me past you. I said, I just don't know how.
Hey! My guy, women. Why? Hey! Rose. Wow.
Please, I want you back.
Really? What do you take me for? Greg, really? After sleeping with Olivia the white girl? Tell me, Greg, how many times are we going to fight over this? How many times? You left me on that sick bed. You left me and went kissing, sleeping around and smooshing Olivia.
I am sorry. It was all my fault. That is why I'm here. To say I am sorry to you. Please, forgive me. Please.
You pushed me. You pushed me, Greg. For me to leave London and come down to Nigeria all by myself. It's for you to know that you have pushed me overboard. How could you?
Please. I am so sorry. It will never happen again. Please.
Why? Why, Greg? Why?
Please forgive me. Mom, I did what you asked me to do because you asked me to do it. Normal me, I can never do such thing. Because I know definitely she must come back to me and beg. At the end of the day, yes, I believe that.
You must be out of your mind. How dare you brag about cheating on your fiancé and think it's the right thing? How dare you, Greg?
Mom, she left me. She left me. I tried to explain things to her, but no way.
You have nothing. Absolutely nothing to explain. You slept with a white girl. You must be completely sorry for your stupid ass.
Mom.
Yes.
I will soon be a king. Yes. So I have the right to date, marry, sleep with any woman I wish. It's normal.
Can I say something? What am I doing here? Am I supposed to be part of this discussion?
Be quiet.
See, what I'm saying is that...
Be quiet, I'm talking to my son.
What I'm saying is that there is no time. Both of you are here arguing about fidelity and infidelity when we have a huge program at hand. That is my reason to be here. And both of you are here arguing fidelity and infidelity.
Please, help me tell my mother, the queen, that I, Prince Greg, have the right to live my life the way I wish. I am son of a king. And kings don't beg. Mom, this will be the last time I will obey you. Mark my word.
Aggie loves you. She respects you so much. To hell with your ego. King my foot.
Mom, I don't bloody care how she feels. That is not my business. Yes. My concern is that she has no right whatsoever to walk out on me. The life she's flexing, I, Greg, gave it to her, so I own her. Please, I don't want to discuss this anymore.
Franca.
Yes, my friend.
Why are you here?
The princess sent me.
Princess Eva.
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you been standing there?
Not quite long, my queen.
Are you sure?
I told brother that rose of a girl will not be loyal to him, but he didn't listen to me. If you go to Buputala, hey, ma, that girl is a Ron's girl. Bia, Choma, I'm getting Ron's girl. Mama, Ron's girl, bu coded prostitutes. They will not be hiding and be pretending. I'm this, I'm a banker, I'm an accountant. If I could, you will be an accountant.
Hey, always your work. But how can a small girl, I mean a fine girl like that, be comfortable with a man old enough to be her father?
It's not the people that pay them. Hey! They give them good money. That's why they're exposing their breast every time.
Well, maybe.
What are you doing here? Talk of the devil. What are you doing here?
No, I came to see,
Okay, Bukwage there. Get out! I say leave here. Leave this place!
Mama, good evening. I'm here to see your son, Okechukwu. It's very important I talk to him, Mama, please.
Mama, happen can buy you one film. Mama, you give him kita now if you don't live here. I say live here! Vamos! I say walk! Okay, can I beg you, eh? You can I beg you? Only I'm saying I'm there to play now. Yeah. Oh, hi. Get ya.
Shawolini fuck all the.
Hi. Madam Wesika. This is end time. One baby. Mama, if I lay, she there. If you go to Bukala.
When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they do, yeah, I will fight for you, my love. Find true love, hey, everything we need.
Madam, see, you don't have the right to shout that to you. You have this is my taxi. You understand me? See, I picked you up, yes, but this is my taxi. So you can't give. Am I your maid? Am I your house boy? Please, am I your gate man? I beg. Please.
Hey, damn it. Just damn it. Do you know who I am? I see you do not love me so you big job and everything that you live for. You want to lose your life and your generation, right?
I blame this country. I blame this stupid country they are in. You understand? Because it's not that the whole thing went to school. They are taken to do one. Ended up where? Driving a taxi and picking up somebody who doesn't have manners. Who doesn't have one single iota of respect for nobody. Well, will you be here insulting me? I'm talking to you that do I know who you are? No problem. Hey, calm down. I don't get time for nonsense. Calm down.
I am not stepping a foot down. I booked you to take me home. And you must take me home.
You are still speaking English. See, I don't have time to speak English with you. Calm down now. I'm telling you, calm down now. You don't want to calm down. Hey, I'll call Union Boys now. They're gonna get you. You don't say we will get close. So they're gonna get you. Calm down now.
Take it easy, please. Calm down. It hasn't gotten to that. I'll just. You didn't know the personality you had in this dirty car because I bothered you. Rubbish. Dirty driver. Touts. Wagging your mouth anyhow. Because you had a personality like me in your car. You should be happy. You should be happy riding with the princess of this kingdom. You should be happy. Idiot.
Oh. Hey.
Bring down my luggage, you fool.
Hey. Okay. All right.
Okay, okay. Well.
This is your Highness. This is. That's your bag you left in my taxi. I hope everything is intact. I said I hope everything is intact.
Yes, thank you.
Whoa. Hey. When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they do, yeah, I will fight for you, mama. I will fight for you, mama. The fire burning. When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they do, yeah, I will fight for you, mama. The fire. I will fight for you, mama. The fire burning. Whoa, hey. When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they do, yeah, I will fight for you, mama. The fire. I will fight for you, mama. The fire burning. When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they do, yeah.
Okay. I just
just need you to hear me out. Please, listen to me. Okay. Yes, I know. I know I lied to you. I know I...
Hey.
I know I broke your heart. I'm a bad girl. I know I'm a bad girl. I know, I accept. You can call me anything you want. Anything. You can even hate me for the rest of your life. So good.
Aren't you ashamed to come here and talk all these rubbish?
I'm ashamed. Yes, I am ashamed.
Alright.
You're a good person. I don't deserve you. You don't. But the little moment we share together, I know I will cherish it for the rest of my life. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me and I'll be fine.
Are you done?
Just forgive me.
Yeah. You see me, I've moved on. You understand? I've moved on. I'm okay. I'm fine. You understand? I'm fine without you. That's how I've moved on. So if you are asking for forgiveness, I'll forgive you. But just please leave me alone.
Thank you very much.
It's better. Leave me alone. Thank you. I wish you all the best too. You can go. You can go now. Again?
Hi.
Again? What is it now? What is it? You want to come here and insult me too? You want to come here and tell me I'm poor, I'm wretched? That's what you want to come and tell me?
Please, can you calm down?
Calm down for what now?
I'm not here for this.
Then what are you here for?
I'm here to apologize to you, to say that I'm very sorry. I mean, I'm deeply, deeply sorry for my outbursts. You didn't give me the opportunity to say I'm sorry for my tantrum.
I beg, leave all this plenty English. See, you people should just leave me alone. You people should leave me alone. After walking out on me, I beg, you should leave me alone. I beg.
I don't know how to place it. I don't know how to express it. But there's something special about this man. I really need to find him again. Oh, just like a bell it is ringing. And like a phone it is beeping. Beeping right in my head. I'm supposed to tender an apology to him, saying I'm sorry for everything I've done to you. I'm sorry. Please accept my apology. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Why I say I'm sorry. I know I really hurt you. Anything where you be, oh, find a place in your heart to forgive me, oh. Whoa. I think I'm in love, oh. Why am I feeling this way? It's still ringing again, like a ding dong. I think I'm in love, oh. Why am I feeling this way? I don't know how to place it. I don't know how to express it. But there's something special about this man. I really need to find him again. Oh, just like a bell it is ringing. And like a phone it is beeping. Beeping right in my head. I'm supposed to tender an apology to him, saying I'm sorry for everything I've done to you. I'm sorry. Please accept my apology. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Why I say I'm sorry. I know I really hurt you. Anything where you be, oh, find a place in your heart to forgive me, oh.
Please, can we talk tomorrow? I'm feeling dizzy. I need to sleep. Thank you. Bye.
I think I'm in love, oh. Why am I feeling this way? Oh, I don't know how to place it. I don't know how to express it. But there's something special about this man. I really need to find him again. Oh, just like a belly.
What is wrong with me? I've never felt this way in my entire life. Why am I feeling this way? Why? Why? I can't even sleep. I just can't.
I know I really hurt you. Anything where you be, oh, find a place in your heart to forgive me, oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why is this dude's number not connecting? Why is it not connecting? Why is it not connecting? Why? Why is it not connecting?
I don't know how to place it. I don't know how to express it. But there's something special about this man. I really need to find him again. Oh, just like a bell it is ringing, and like a phone it is beeping, beeping right in my head. I'm supposed to tender an apology to him, saying I'm sorry for everything I've done to you. I'm sorry. Please accept my apology. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Why? I say I'm sorry. I know I really hurt you. Anything where you be, oh, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I think I'm in love. Oh, why am I feeling this way? It's ringing again, like a ding dong. I think I'm in love. Oh, why am I feeling this way?
Greg, what are you doing here? Are you not supposed to be in your room?
But I'm kind of trying to.
Stop. Drop this thing in your hand before you talk. Drop it.
All right.
Go ahead. What is it?
Mother, Eva is changing gradually. She's kind of showing dislike or not interested in us anymore.
Why do you say so?
In fact, Mother, let me just hold my peace.
Better know what you're doing. Now talk to me. What is it?
Mother, ever since we settled our differences, she has been acting funny.
Oh.
She's slipping away from her usual self.
Really?
Yes, I know what I'm saying. Or have you seen her ever since we settled in this house? Have you seen her?
You don't have to conclude yet. Perhaps she is busy with her father's management or something. Huh? But whatever it is, you caused it. So try and fix it. Go to your room.
Princess. Princess, what is it?
My daughter, you return back to smoking? This is dangerous to your health and you know it.
So you know my daughter smokes and you've been silent about it?
Please, I will talk to her, please. I will talk to her, I beg you. Well, Dad, if you must know, Greg taught me how to smoke, drink, and do other dirty stuff.
What?
Do you expect me not to smoke? Do you expect me not to smoke? When you all pushed me in the hands of a man who took total control of my whole life and made me voiceless. Well, Dad, if you do not know that I smoke, Mom here knows better.
This is so disheartening.
Are you ready to go? Majesty, she's not in the palace.
Not in her room. But we have somewhere to go this morning, and you're telling me that the princess is not in her room. My friend, will you go and get my daughter for me?
Why not call her?
I wasn't talking to you.
Your Majesty, she's not in the palace.
Okay, that's not a problem. I'll be in my chambers. As soon as she walks into this palace, let me know.
Where is my daughter? My queen, I saw her leaving this morning on a sport wear.
And you didn't go with her?
My queen, I wanted to go with her, but she restricted me.
If anything happens to my daughter, Franca, pray to your God.
Fool.
When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they do, yeah.
Hi, good morning.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Please don't embarrass me, please.
Now, what? How? No, what are you doing here now? What are you doing here? How did you find me? How did you find my house?
That's the princess of this kingdom. Prince what? She's the princess. What does she want? I don't even know.
Ikenna gave me your house address. I mean, when I...
Wait, Ikenna gave you my house address for what now? Why? Ikenna, what's all this now? What's all this?
Can you take it easy? I mean no harm. I just want us to talk.
Talk? Talk about what? No, what do you want us to talk about? Talk about what now?
Okay, at least just offer me a seat. We could...
Offer you a seat? Where? Which one is seat? Which seat? Where? What's all this one now? What's this? Hey, what's this now? Hey, I don't understand this style, you. What's this now? Wake up! I don't like this, you know. I don't like this, you know. Mama, please get water. Water.
Get water, get me water.
Get water.
Get me water.
What is this now?
I asked you all a simple question, and you can't answer me, for heaven's sake. Where is my daughter? Where is my daughter? Franca, where is my daughter?
I thought you said she went for the job this morning.
Yes, my queen.
You did not follow her? You did not follow her, you swine! Ndembu.
I am giving you 2 hours. Only 2 hours to locate where my daughter is, wherever she is, and bring her back to this palace. 2 hours.
I will gather all of you and rip you off in the royal dungeon. Now get out. Get out! Out!
Where could my daughter be?
You will join them. You will also join them. Now listen to me and listen good. If anything happens to my daughter, if anything happens to my daughter,
I don't want to nurse the idea that you know where the princess is. And I wouldn't want to believe that you told her what my son said the other day.
My queen, I swear by the gods, I did not.
I don't care if you swear by the gods or not. If I am convinced that you did, you are gone. Now get out. Get out!
I'm tired. I am tired. I'm very tired. Where do we find this girl now? Where? Where do we find the princess? Here. You're asking me. I don't know now. Let's just be asking questions. See, the king is very, very furious and mean. I don't want to be burnt alive. I'm the only child of my parents. I don't want to be burnt. Let's just be asking questions, please. Eh? Since we've been asking questions everywhere. Me, I don't want to return to that palace, so. Because if we don't find this girl, me, I'm scared though. See, it's Franca that's supposed to be burnt alive for refusing to go out with the princess. Now they don't put the whole blame on us. Can you imagine? I don't even know where we're going to start to ask. In fact, let's just be asking questions. Eh? Where should we start from? That's the question. Anyway, see, take this way. Let me take this way. Okay. Use that side.
This way.
See, don't lose, so.
You said you came to this park last week.
Yes, my queen.
So where is my daughter? Franca, where is my daughter that I entrusted into your hands?
Ma, we came here last week. We came to look for somebody. I don't know the person.
For what? Why?
I don't know.
I'm asking you why. This is a local park. Huh? Franca. Franca.
Ma.
Pray to your God. Franca, pray to your God. Get out! Imagine. What could be the reason for coming into this dirty park?
Mama, hurry up.
I'm coming. Don't worry, she'll be fine. Oh, your head will lift her up. Get up, my daughter.
Please stand up. Take your medicine, eh?
Drink this. It will cure your illness.
It's okay.
Take it, my dear.
It's okay, sorry.
It's alright. No.
Sorry.
Don't do that, please. Oh, yeah, take one more.
Bring more.
Take one more, my dear.
I'll put enough inside.
Don't push it that way. It's alright, my dear.
Get well.
Don't worry.
Sorry.
It will help fight the illness completely. Okay? Sorry. Sorry.
To sleep.
Alright, my dear. Go ahead and sleep, please.
Sleep. Mama, sleep. Ma, she says sleep.
Yes.
She was
The medicine is supposed to make her sleep. By the time she wakes up, she'll be totally fine.
I didn't invite this girl. Mama, let this girl go now. Go now.
Calm down.
Mama, let this girl go. Mama, see you see prison, oh. See you see prison, oh.
Whatever is going to happen, let it happen.
What is it now?
Mama, how about princess?
Nothing will happen to her.
You're too old to go to prison, oh. You're too old to go to prison, oh.
Mama, check if she's breathing.
She's fine. I know what I gave her. This is my job.
Mama, let this girl go. Let me find taxi and put her back. Let her go. Let her go.
You'll be surprised what will happen.
That she's your guest.
You're too old to go to prison, oh. You're too old to go to prison, oh. Okay. Okay. Sleep. So that was how we met, nothing more. Just that. Yes.
So you returned her items to her after everything?
Yes.
I know you'll return it. I know my son.
Mama,
I know you.
for the princess to come here alone, she's a good girl.
I think so too. She has bronchitis. I wish she would stay here a little longer so that I'll have time to treat her properly.
Huh? Stay here a little longer. See, once this girl wakes up, she will leave here. She will leave here. Which one is she should stay here a little longer? For what now?
Calm down. Calm down.
Mama, once this girl wakes up, she has to go. Stay here for what now? Go quiet. Stay. If anything happens to this girl, do you know all of us will go to prison?
I don't know how to place it. I don't know how to express it. But there's something special about this man. I really need to find him again. Oh, just like a bell it is ringing, and like a phone it is beeping, beeping right in my head. I'm supposed to tender an apology to him, saying I'm sorry for everything I've done to you. I'm sorry. Please accept my apology. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Oh, I say I'm sorry. I know I really hurt you. Anything where you be, oh, find a place in your heart to forgive me, oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think I'm in love, oh. Why am I feeling this way? It's still ringing again, like a ding dong. I think I'm in love, oh. Why am I feeling this way? I don't know how to place it. I don't know how to express it.
My mom is into alternative medicine. I mean native medicine. She deals with roots and herbs.
I see.
Yeah. Well, she also said you have bronchitis.
Yeah, that's true. It started when I was a child. At some point, I thought he had gone forever. But to my utmost surprise, he came back 2 years ago.
Wow. Well, I'm sorry about that. But, trust me when I say my mother knows what she's doing. She will do something about it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm very sorry for the manner in which I spoke to you the other day. Actually, I am not that kind of person. That day I was really so broken because I caught my fiancé sleeping with a white girl while I was sick, very sick. So that day you met me, I was just returning back. So angry. So angry because I was mad at everything and everyone. But I'm sorry for the transfer of aggression.
Yeah, it's okay. It's all right. I'm also sorry. I mean, the day I carried you in my car, I was going through emotional torture myself. I caught my girlfriend with a man whom was old enough to be her father. And this is a girl I thought I was going to marry. She was actually the same girl, you saw the other day, yes.
Really?
Yes. So, I'm really sorry for being so harsh, towards you. Very sorry.
Wow.
But one thing is, I will never ever love again.
Love. Love hurts.
Princess, your food is ready.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Shall we?
Your Highness, please, can you just calm down? I believe my men will find her. Yes.
Did you say calm down? All right. Look at your wristwatch. What time is it?
Your Highness, it's just 6 in the evening.
6 in the evening? Did you hear that? 6 in the evening for a girl that left this palace since morning? Now tell them, let no one kidnap my daughter.
Because if they do, I will pay the ransom. Yes, I will. I will pay. But I will spend the rest of my life to fish out the persons involved, and I'll make sure that I kill them. Kill them!
Your Majesty, please let us not conclude on that. I believe she will come back.
She's here. Your Highness, she's here.
She's back.
I told you.
Are you alright?
Welcome.
Sit.
Hi. You're welcome.
Where have you been, Eva? Eh?
You're welcome.
Where have you been?
Young lady, where are you coming from? Answer me!
Igwe, please. You're welcome home.
I went to see a friend and I passed out.
Pass out, quoi?
You're welcome, my love. So sorry about that. So sorry. You're welcome, okay? I'll be alright. You're welcome.
She went to visit a friend and she passed out.
Was she drunk or something?
I don't know. Why not go to her kingdom and ask her?
Eva doesn't have a friend I do not know of. Let me call her.
Young lady, who is that person that you went to see and passed out in his place for the past 8 hours?
My lord, please, take it easy on her.
I am not talking to you. And don't you ever tell me to take it easy. Now speak to me. I command you.
Okechukwu is his name.
Okay, what? Is it someone I know?
He's the taxi driver.
Oh no. Eva.
Taxi? Gimme. No, princess. Princess, I know that you joke a lot, okay? And just tell me that this is one of your jokes.
Dad, it is high time I made my own decision and chose my friends.
I cannot continue to abide by some rules that are not healthy for me. Mom, please. I cannot, Dad. I just can't. I'm sorry, sir.
Now listen to me. Let me never hear that this little brat left this palace to go and see who I don't know. Without my approval, I will kill you. I will skin you alive.
I do not, Greg. I do not owe you any explanation as to wherever I go to. You're not yet married to me, and I do not see that happening. I don't even see that happening because I am done with your cheating ass, Greg. I'm done. Eva, why are you doing this? I don't understand, Mom. Can't I have a friend?
Okechukwu is just a village taxi driver.
Mom, Okechukwu is a graduate. A graduate of banking and finance. It's just because of the situation of the country that has resulted him into being a taxi driver. And I see absolutely nothing wrong with that, Mom. Nothing. Not like he's stealing. Mom, that guy has visions and dreams. So many billionaires in the society today became billionaires by just being mere drivers. Bus drivers or taxi drivers. So there's nothing wrong with being a taxi driver, Mom. Nothing wrong with it.
My daughter.
Mom, sometimes I ask myself, what kind of sacrifice did you and Dad make that binded me with a cheat, a chain smoker, someone who cares not about my feelings nor my emotions, who has influenced me and does not give a hoot about my health? When he sees you and Dad, he pretends. Meanwhile, he cares about nothing, bragging he owns my life and all. Mom, Okechukwu's mother is a herbalist, and she has assigned herbal medication on me for 1 full week. Do you want me to neglect my health?
Eva.
Mom, please. I just pray that someday you and Father will see the beast in Greg. I'm done.
Bro.
Approach.
Someone is toiling with my baby's head. Something is about to go wrong. Find out who the person is. Okay?
Yes, my prince.
I want to see results. All I need is results. Don't come back without results.
Trust me, my prince.
Nobody try and seize my capability and remain the same. Nobody.
Amara! Amara! Is this how you normally leave your office post and you'll be going there?
Sure, Ma, I was eating.
How will a customer see you when you are seated there? Sit! Sit down. This is 500,000. I want to go across the road to get something.
Okay, Ma.
Listen to me. I don't want to hear any stories. Did you hear me?
Yes, Ma.
I don't want to hear any stories.
Yes, Ma. Yes,
Just
ma.
manage this money very well, okay?
Yes, Ma.
Amara, are you hearing me?
Yes, Ma.
I said I don't want to hear any stories.
Yes, Ma.
Okay. Amara, did you hear me?
Yes, Ma.
Usigini. Listen, I'll tell my uncle.
Yes, Ma.
Hey! This is the opportunity I've been waiting for. Hey! I'm not working again. Oh, bye-bye.
Amara! 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 Where did this girl go to now? Amara! I told this girl to stay in this place. Now where did she go to? Put me for here. Amara! Hey, switched off. Switched off. This girl has switched her phone. Amara! Amara! My 500,000. My 500,000. My 500. Amara! Hey! Hey!
You're welcome, my friend. Where is your son? He went to work. I hope all is well, my queen.
Keep this message for your son. Tell him I will not want to see him anywhere close to my daughter again. Do you understand English?
Yes, my queen.
For your own good. Tell him to stay clear. If I see him anywhere close to my daughter again, I will kill him. Hey!
Come on, get out of this place! Get out! Get inside! Get out! Come out! Come on! Whatever rubbish they put here, come out! No more! Come on! Come on! Come on! Enough! Enough! John, right? Yeah. Your John. Yes, sir. You are the owner of the taxi that boy called Okechukwu is driving all around town. Yes, sir. Now listen to me. I am the king of this community. And I want you to go and take your taxi from that boy. If I ever hear that boy is still driving your taxi in this community. John, don't dare me. I will make this place a living hell for you. Now go!
Thank you.
Get out! Get out!
I hope you
Get out!
Are you Miss Chioma? You are under arrest for conniving with your friend to steal money from one Amanda.
Officer did not steal money.
Oh yeah, sir, move this lady.
Whatever.
Go.
Move her.
Move her.
Move down.
But I did not steal
Oga
money.
police.
Move.
My daughter don't steal. Oh, she's not a thief. Oh. My daughter is not a thief. Oh, please.
Sir, please, sir. Please, sir. I can't give you this car key, sir.
Okay, Chuku.
Sir,
give me my car
key.
key.
Sir, please, I'm begging you in the name of God. How can I give you this car key, sir? Please, sir. I beg you, sir. Please.
Go and ask your God that question.
Sir,
This car you are with.
Sir, please.
Give me my car key now.
God, sir, please, now don't do this kind of thing.
I said don't manage for me again. Give me my car key.
Sir, you collect this car from me. How will I survive, sir? How will I survive, sir? How will I survive? How will my family survive, sir? Please, sir. Please, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, please, sir.
That is my car key.
Sir, I know it's your car key, but there's no how I can give you this. I will starve. My family will starve. Think of my mother, sir.
Because of you, I'm standing under the rain here.
Sir, no, sir. No, sir.
Rain is beating me since 2 hours now.
No, sir. Please,
okay,
sir.
let me call
please,
you.
Sir. Please, sir. It hasn't gotten to this, sir. Sir, please. Sir, please. Please.
Hello, DPO. Yes.
Sir.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm about to sue you. But I'm working as road. Eh?
Sir.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, look for a job.
Sir, please, oh. Please, sir. Sir. It hasn't gotten to this, sir. Please, sir. I will stop, sir. Sir. Oga.
You cannot look at my face and tell me this.
I just did. And I am glad I did. The boldness is waxing stronger.
Do you know if I don't marry you, nobody will?
I rather remain single than marry you.
Come on, baby. I thought we have trashed.
Greg, I need a future. I need a husband. I need a responsible man. And that man is certainly not you. For your information, there is absolutely nothing my parents can do about this, my decision. So, Greg, stop coming to see me. Stop forcing things.
Come on, baby. What happens to our childhood memories? Our love, drink, smoke, club, the sex, everywhere. Inside my car, bush, uncompleted building. In your house, your bed, how I leaked everywhere. What happens to all of that, baby?
Take it as a payoff. I do not want to have anything to do with an irresponsible man like you. So, Greg, stop forcing things. Stop coming to look for me. I have taken a new leave. And I've decided to stop mingling with people like you. Excuse me. Excuse me?
arrested your sister.
Arrested my sister for what now? For what? Huh? What did she do now?
Amara, her friend stole and they came and arrested her.
But why would they arrest her? For what? The right thing to do is to ask whereabouts of her friend. Now, why would they arrest her like that now? For what?
Okay, did you see the way they dragged her like a common criminal?
To the police station. Let's go, please. Why would they arrest her now? For what now? Why would they drag her? Is she a criminal? Come on.
Dad, I said I'm going to see Greg.
You are going to see Greg.
That is what she said.
The guards will go with you.
Fine. Let them come with me. All the guards, all the ladies, all of you, you can come with me. Let them come with me. Let's go, no problem. You all can come with me. Let's go and see the love of my life. Sure, right? No problem. Let them come. Since I can no longer be trusted in this palace again.
My king, let her go, please. Let her go with Franca.
I said the guards will go with her and not Franca.
And I also said no problem. Let the guards come with me. No problem. Alas!
My king, let us take it easy with her, please.
I know we'll take it easy with her. But Prince Greg and his people are coming sooner than we think. His coronation and the Iwakwa ceremony is around the corner. He will choose our daughter as his wife. Lolo, I do not want any mishap, any dent in that ceremony.
Same with me. But still, please, let's take it easy with her. She's only a child. Please.
When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they do, yeah, I will fight for you, mama.
Mama? Who is at home? Okay, Chuku.
When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect.
Okay, Chuku.
When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they do, yeah, I will fight for you, mama.
My princess, I think we have to leave.
We had a deal, didn't we?
Yes, we do. But nobody's around now.
Perhaps they went to the farm or something. I would wait.
The Igwe may call to know where we are at the moment. I mean, he may call Prince Greg to find out if we are in his kingdom.
That's a valid point.
Thank you, my princess. So I would suggest maybe we'll leave now and we may come back later to check if anyone is around.
What we should do. No matter what they do, yeah, I will fight for you, mama.
What? Heart problem? How? How can I develop heart problem?
problem?
Mr. Okay, that is what we discovered after carrying out the test. See, your mom needs to undergo surgery with immediate effect in order to save her life. Her condition is critical.
Hey, doctor. Doctor, okay. So what do I do now? What do I do?
All I can say is you need to put yourself together. We have to make a deposit of 500,000 naira so that we can start the surgery immediately.
Doctor, where am I going to get that money from? Doctor, where am I going to get that money from? Where? How?
Like I said, your mother's life is critical. Her condition is critical. Just go and look for means to raise the money. Make the deposit and let's start everything immediately.
Hey!
That is all I can say for now.
Hey!
Thank you for not believing me.
I want us to make up.
My heart has left you.
To a taxi driver, I guess.
If that is what you think, perhaps he will drive my heart.
No one drives your heart except me. Yes, no one.
Two love birds. When are you two going to stop acting like babies and know that you've grown? Oh, you're welcome, my lovely princess. I never knew you were here. Come, the table is set. Come, let's eat like one lovely family.
Thank you, my queen. But I'm here to let you know that I am no longer interested in your son.
What? Are you for real?
My queen, if you were in my shoes, will you marry a man like your son? Greg here hits me at will.
Babe. Babe.
I'm sorry. Babe.
I said, who is that guy you were dancing with the other day at the club?
Babe, I don't know him.
Bloody
Huh?
Mom, we are playing. Yes.
I said, this guy talk to her. Fight and blood. Tell me the fuck. Tell me the truth.
What? Not once, not twice. Greg did despicable things to me. I took it. He said to me, without me, you will not leave. Now I just want to die. Greg, unplug your life in me, because I will never, ever marry you. Excuse me, my queen.
How dare you, Greg? How dare you desecrate the sanctity of a princess? How dare you lay your filthy hands on her? Greg!
That girl belongs to me.
Will you shut up? Yes, shut your mouth. Like father, like son. You think women are lesser beings? I will not support this treatment. Never. I only thought it was your infidelity. I never knew you hit her. Greg!
Mother, nobody try and seize my culpability and remain the same. Nobody. Brown! Brown!
Whoa. Hey. When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what them do, yeah, I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire. I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire burning. When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what them do, yeah, I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire. I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire burning. Keep the fire. I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire burning. When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Yeah. No matter what them do, yeah, I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire. I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire.
What is it?
How did you leave the palace at this time of the night?
Well, I came here earlier. You weren't home. Neither your mom nor your sister. I went to the park. You weren't there. So I just couldn't sleep. I think I've fallen for you. You are in my heart. Ever since you left the palace, I just couldn't get you off my mind. With you, I feel peace. I feel this unexplainable peace. Okay. I want you to drag my heart. Please.
Look, your father will kill me. We live in different worlds. I'm not supposed to have anything to do with you.
Let me bring you to my world. Where class does not matter. What matters is love. About your problem? Let me solve it. I'm here now. I promise you, everything will be fine. I promise. Excuse me, please. Here, could you please put your account details for me?
What for?
Please. Please. Your mother needs to be saved. Her medical bills need to be paid. Your sister bailed from the police station. Please, allow me help you. Please?
I can't do this. I don't want to take advantage of you.
Thank you. I just hope 5 million will be enough to solve your problems.
What? 5? Who are you? 5? Oh my God, thank you. 5 million.
It's okay.
Oh my God.
It's okay.
No, please. No, please. Oh my God, your father will kill me. Your father will behead me.
Listen. No, trust me. My father will not do anything. He has to kill me for him to get to you. You're safe. Trust me. You're safe.
Young lady,
Yes, Your Highness.
who do you say you are?
Okechukwu wife, Your Highness.
And so?
He got me pregnant. We were living in peace. We were expecting our unborn child. Before the princess came into the picture and took him away from me,
She took him away from me.
What are you talking about?
Princess Eva. She is he my husband. They are secretly in love.
What? My daughter?
Yes, Your Highness. When I tried to confront my husband, he beat me up. He even threatened to kill me if I ever tell him to stop cheating on me.
Wait. You mean your husband did this to you?
Yes, he did. He did.
A pregnant woman? Yes. Your husband beat you up like this?
Yes, my queen. He did. Your Highness. My king. Please. I beg of you. Help me. Help me talk to your daughter. Tell her to leave my husband alone. Tell her to leave my man alone. Please, I beg of you. My king, please. It's the only one I've got, please.
This is nonsense. Arrant nonsense. I am not going to take this insult. Eva! Eva! Woman, where is your child?
She should be in her room. Young lady, are you sure you are saying the truth?
Yes, my queen. I'm saying the truth. I am saying the truth. I'm saying the truth.
God! God!
When you find true love, hey, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they do, yeah, I will fight for you, my love.
What are you doing? Come on, take her inside. Take her inside. Take her inside.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you.
Alright, we thank God. We thank God. I could remember how you were carrying on the last time I told you about the deposit. And I'm happy you got it so fast.
Yes, we thank God. We thank God. We thank God. We thank God. So, Doc, when will she be discharged?
For now, we have to put an eye on her. We really need to watch her closely. But I promise you, in no distant time, she will be discharged. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Doc, is it possible we go see her?
Sure.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Alright, take care.
I said go down! I said go down before I blast your head! Go down!
I cannot go down. I am the king.
Go down before I blast your head down! I said go down! Go down! Yes, go in and get that idiot. I said go down! Go down! Go down! Go down! I hear a word from you, I will blast your head. Yes.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Take her down! Take her down!
What's my father? Stop
Take her down! Take her down! I said take her down! I will blast his head! Go down! I blast his head! Go down! Go down! I said go down! I said go down before I blast his head!
Go down, please.
Princess, go down.
Go down. Go down.
Go
please.
down.
My love.
Go down.
Go down. Go down, my
Go
love.
down!
Go down.
Yes,
please.
I will kill you. Kill your queen. And kill your daughter. I'll wipe your entire family. Yes, I will do that. Yes, I will do it.
Why? Why do you want to kill all of us? Eh? What have we done? We are family. We are friends.
Friends indeed. I said friends indeed. When you conspired with your husband and gave my woman to a taxi driver, and all of you, I said all of you feel ignorant about it and you want me to be happy. No, no, yes, I would never be happy. No, yes, go down.
At this point, I would prefer to give my daughter to just anybody than someone who would brutalize her parents in front of her. Oh, Greg, I hate you.
Shut up! Kill you! Shut up! I said shut up!
I hate you! I hate you with every fiber in me! You humiliated me! You took control of my body anyhow you wished! Greg! You toyed with my sanctity as a princess! I hate you and I am going to kill you!
I gave you life. I was taken to the shrine for you to live. And I believe we are meant to live forever. But look at us now. Look at us now. The life you are living is mine. I gave it to you. So I own you. I own everything about you. Everything about you belongs to me. You have no life without me. Take her down.
Go down! Take her down! Go down! Go down! Hey!
Yes, go down.
Becky, go down! I said go down before I end it all! I said speak!
Hey, freeze! Drop your phone! Drop it! I said drop it! Drop it there! Huh? Lie down! Hey!
I said please! Please! Drop your gun down! Drop it down! Drop it! Move!
Hey, move that motor!
Drop it! Move down! Move that motor! Move that motor! Move! Everybody get up! Everybody get up! Everybody get up!
When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what them do, yeah. I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire.
Okay, Chuku.
Yes, Your Highness.
I called you here in private because I want to apologize to you and also to thank you immensely for saving my life and that of my family from the hands of the lunatic of a prince. Thank you very much.
Don't mention Your Highness.
The gods of our land will bless you.
You say, thank you.
Like I said, I apologize for the hasty judgment I gave in the case between you and your uncle. I want you to know that I have reversed the judgment. Yes. You will get back everything that your uncle has taken from you.
Oh, thank you, Your Highness, thank you. Your Highness, thank you so much, Your Highness, thank you. May you live long, Your Highness, thank you.
You're a brave man, and you're a good man. My daughter told me that you studied banking and finance.
Yes, Your Highness.
Okay. You will drop your CV with me. Yes.
Your Highness, may you live long, Your Highness, may you live long. Thank you, Your Highness. I'm entirely grateful, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Your Highness. Your Highness, thank you so much. May you live long. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
Princess. Yes. I'm surprised.
Okay. What's the surprise?
From the text result I have here, it shows that there's no form of bronchitis in you. I mean, your respiratory organs are functioning very well. This is a miracle.
What?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, doctor.
Sorry. Did I hear you say herbs?
Well, thank God. Thank God, doctor. Thank God.
Thank you so much. And God did this through you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So she's all clear.
Very fine.
God did it. Thank you, Lord.
Alright.
No, it's okay. No. What were you trying to do? You want to kneel down for me? For what? I'm only a poor widow. I'm not a troublemaker. Please, I'm not a difficult woman at all. You don't have to kneel down for me. Oh?
I'm very, very sorry, Nick. I'm very, very sorry. I just came to plead. Please forgive me for everything I have done to you. Forgive me, man. Forgive me.
It's okay.
See, Mazi Okeke, all you need to do is to give your life to Christ. Yes, and stop all those evil things, all those bad things that you do. That's all you need to do.
In fact, Jesus, I have come to you. Take me. I'm forgiving myself. God will forgive me. And I will give my life just like you said. In fact, I have given my life. Forgive me.
It's
Mama,
okay.
please forgive me.
It's okay.
Forgive me.
I forgive you.
Oh? Thank you very much.
You.
Thank you.
So what?
See, me, I don't have anything against you. So far you give your life to Christ. Christ is the ultimate, the only, the everything you need.
Thank you very much. Hey! Hey! You, your for my very good friend is gone. Ow! What will happen to me?
It's okay.
Queen Doris, we have consulted the gods. Your son committed a sacrilege. And a murderer can never be our king. We kingsmen have decided that the kingship must leave your family. Anele, I'm going now.
If you had trained that boy well, your son would have known that the best gift to any man is a virtuous woman as wife. Your son has rubbed mud on your face. He attempted to kill a full royal family. Hey, what a shame on us. We didn't know that we were breeding a dangerous drug addict to become our king. It's too late for you to be shedding these crocodile tears. Too late. It's what you brought upon yourself. Doris, that's what you brought upon yourself. My hands, my legs. I have washed off my hands and legs. I can never be part of this. Hey! I never knew it's going to end like this. Ha! What a shame. Where's one? There are dead people here. Where's one? I bless this union. You will grow and you will multiply. Long life will be your portion. You will live long to a ripe old age. Forever and ever. You may now get up.
When you find true love, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright.
My love. I love you so much, my dear. My in-law, God bless you. God bless you.
When you find true love, everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah.
$1 million.
Oh, 1 million.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma. I don't have such amount of.
Of course, I know you do not have such amount.
Chioma, is this you?
Let me have my card.
I don't know how to place it. I don't know how to express it. But there's something special about this man. I really need to find him again. Oh, just like a bell it is ringing, and like a phone it is beeping, beeping right in my head. I'm supposed to tender an apology to him, saying I'm sorry for everything I've done to you. I'm sorry. Please accept my apology. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. Oh, I say I'm sorry. I know I really hurt you. Anything where you be, oh, find a place in your heart to forgive me, oh. Whoa, whoa. I think I'm in love, oh. Why am I feeling this way? It's still ringing again, like a ding dong. I think I'm in love, oh. Why am I feeling know how to place it. I don't know how to express it. But there's something special about this man. I really need to find him again. Oh, just like a bell it is ringing, and like a phone it is beeping, beeping right in my head. I'm supposed to tender an apology to him, saying I'm sorry for everything I've done to you. I'm sorry. Please accept my apology.